Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican pumpkin rice in my kitchen. This Jamaican pumpkin rice is another flavorful side dish that is much better than plain white rice. It is a well seasoned rice that has a slight sweetness from the pumpkin and all the other ingredients used to make it oh so flavorful and delicious. So if you want to learn this pumpkin rice recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe and let's get this process started. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my pumpkin rice. This is how I make my pumpkin rice. I learned this from my mom when I was in Jamaica, and I'm telling you, this is a must-try recipe. You and your family will enjoy it. So over here I have me some all natural salted butter. You have to use some butter to cook your rice so it doesn't stick to the pot. Give it that nice buttery taste. I have me here 2 cups of rice. You could use whatever rice you have. Over here I have my pumpkin all chopped up. I love me some pumpkin. Here I have me some salt to give it added taste, and I have me here 1 Grace cock soup mix spicy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it because I love the taste of it and it bring it off really good. So guys, there you have it. That's all the ingredients. So if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Let's get it started. So the first thing you want to ensure is that you wash your rice. Now the washing of your rice helps to remove the extra starch from the rice, so please make sure you give it that nice wash. And there you have it. My rice is all washed and looking clean and nice. So now we are going to move on to the next process. So to my pot, I'm going in with 2.5 cups of water. I'm going in with my rice. Giving it that stir. Up next, I'm going to add me just a little bit of my hot soup, just like that. Giving it that stir. And the water is perfect. It's not too much and it's not too little. It's perfect. When you're cooking rice, you add half more cups of water. So if you're making 2 cups of rice, you had 2.5 cups of water. Making 3 cups of rice, you had 3.5 cups of water. At this point, I'm going with my pumpkin. We want to make sure our pumpkin is cooking with our rice. I'm going to add me 1/2 tablespoon of butter, just like that. Giving it that stir. Up next, we're going to give it a taste test so you could adjust the taste with the salt. So now I'm just going to add me this amount of salt. Let me give it that taste test. Perfect. And I'm just going to cover this and leave it for 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it, and then we'll see from there. So see you guys back soon. And we are back, guys. So let's check on our rice. Take a look. It's frying down nicely, just the way how I want it to be. Let me check on my pumpkin. My pumpkin is cooked. Okay. Please make sure your stove is on low heat. So now that my rice is taking its time to steam down, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover this with foil paper. I want it to steam. Just cover it up for the next 10 minutes. So see you guys back. All right, so we are back and we're gonna check on our rice. Should be finished by now. And there it is, guys. There it is. Take a closer look at my rice. OMG. Give it a taste test. OMG, this pumpkin rice right here hit the spot. I'm telling you, this is a must try in your kitchen, because right here, so this a rice here have a buzz, man. I tell no lie, it's shelly, buttery and flavorful. Cannot get enough of this baby. OMG, just look at my pumpkin. This pumpkin give it a nice, flavorful, colorful look. Oh my days. If you love some pumpkin, just get some rice and prepare this in your kitchen. It doesn't take long. It is quick, simple and easy. So now I'm gonna plate out some of my rice on my plate. Just give it a tap and voila, look at that, guys. And I'm having this with some baked bean and frankfurters. I'm gonna post the frankfurter video right above, so if you want to cook this in your kitchen as well, please go ahead and do so. I post this video previously, so you could go ahead as well and take a look at it. It is quick, simple and easy. If you're in a hurry and you're hungry, it doesn't take more than 30 minutes to be prepared. So guys, please do not forget to comment. Tell me how much you would rate this video. Tell me if you love some pumpkin rice as well, because right now I'm telling you, me and my husband, we're gonna go in, and you cannot go wrong right here. So with piece of your pear, otherwise known as avocado. In Jamaica we call it pear. Ooh la la, it's pear time now in Jamaica because it's summertime. Cannot wait to take me a trip over in Jamaica and enjoy this niceness. Ooh la la. So guys, as I said earlier, please try this out in your kitchen. Let me know how it came out. Please follow the steps. You won't go wrong. Please pay keen attention, guys. And if you have any questions, comment it in the comment section and I will respond to you. If you have any questions, I will respond. So thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week and stay blessed, stay hydrated, because it's super nice outside. It's kind of hot, so please be careful. And DJ family, love each and every one of you. See you guys soon. More content is coming up, and thank you so much. We really appreciate the support and the love. See you guys soon. Bye guys.